Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to post on TikTok with the highest possible resolution? TikTok tries to lower the resolution of your posts to save space on their servers. But in this video, I'll show you how to post with the highest quality possible. Let's go. First, open the TikTok app and tap on the plus button on the bottom of the screen. If you want to add a video from your device, click Upload and select the video. Once you're done editing the video, click Next. On the Post page, scroll down to the bottom and enable Allow High-Quality Uploads. Keep in mind that the maximum video quality available on TikTok is Full HD. For now, you cannot now publish videos in 4K resolution. Additionally, you need to make sure that your camera settings are set up correctly to capture videos in Full HD. Open Settings and scroll down to Camera. Tap on it and click on Record Video. I recommend here to choose 1080p at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Both are Full HD quality. If you choose 4K, TikTok will still reduce it to 1080p. There is another setting on TikTok that you can change to stop your videos from appearing grainy when you are viewing them. Go back to the TikTok app and tap your profile. Click the three lines and choose Settings and Privacy. Under the Cache and Cellular section, tap on Data Saver. If you disable Data Saver, your videos will always be displayed at their highest quality. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.